Autopropagation. The Wordbee cat editor has several built-in smart tools. All 4 smart tools are located on the toolbar that's pinned below the last segment on every page. By default, each of the 4 tools is always switched on. You can see which tools are activated via the colored dot. A green dot means that the tool is enabled and ready to go. A red dot indicates that the tool is disabled. Turning any of the tools on or off is as easy as clicking the dot. Autopropagate is now turned off and it won't have any effect on your text. Let's turn it back on and take a look at what it does. So what exactly is autopropagation? Autopropagation is an extremely useful tool at all stages of the process. It allows translators to easily handle repetitive texts. And it lets proofreaders correct those same segments once without having to touch any of the repetitions. It not only fills in all identical empty segments as you're translating, it also replaces previously written segments if you make a change. The tool is also smart enough to know that only 100% matches and above can be autopropagated. Anything below that value will still need to be checked manually, meaning you won't accidentally overwrite your own work. Autopropagate also works backwards. If you discover a problem halfway through the text, it will correct it from the beginning. Here's how it works. Take a look at segments 428 and 432. As you can see, the source texts are identical. The translation, however, is not very good and needs to be replaced. Autopropagate will work both when you replace the entire text and when you just make a smaller change. Wait for the editor to save, and as soon as it does, segment 432 is autopropagated to be the same as segment 428, saving you the work of having to do the edit twice.